Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. It looks like we may be in for a mixed day on the market. Right now, Dow futures are down 14 points. NASDAQ is down 13 points, but the S&P is pointing up, but just by 1.5 points. Overseas, the Shanghai Composite tumbled 1.47%. We'll tell you why in just a moment. The Hang Seng closed down 0.94%, and the Nikkei ended the week with a 0.13% loss. In Europe, it's mixed. The FTSE and CAC are both up 0.36%. The DAX is down 0.24%. So what's happening in China is that investors are still worried about a possible trade war with the U.S., especially with this week's announcement banning American companies from working with one of China's largest tech companies, ZTE. The 7-year ban was enacted after U.S. officials said the company lied about punishing its employees who had violated U.S. sanctions against North Korea and Iran. The Chinese government has repeatedly attacked that decision, calling it reckless. Also today, regulators are expected to announce a $1 billion fine against Wells Fargo. The bank admitted that it had charged more than 570,000 auto loan customers for auto insurance without their knowledge and when they already had coverage. It also improperly charged some customers to extend interest rate locks on mortgages because of the bank's own delays. Shares of Wells Fargo are now down about 0.25% in after-hours trading. And oil prices are starting to fall after President Trump accused OPEC of artificially inflating the price of oil, saying in a tweet, "It is no good and will not be accepted." He also commented on the record amounts of oil all over the place, but it should be noted that just this week, oil inventories actually fell below their 5-year average for the first time since 2014. And after the tweet came out, the price for Brent crude tumbled about 0.5%. The recent increase in prices have helped revive U.S. production. Right now, the industry says it's having a big problem with labor shortages and some infrastructure constraints. But that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Check out our past reports at realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill. We'll see you again after the opening bell.